Hello traders, welcome to my channel Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'll show you how the behavior of the last 10 seconds before a candle ends can help predict the next candle's direction. You'll learn how to analyze candle behavior, apply this strategy in different market conditions, and see it in action through live trades. Make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping, as missing any part could lead to incomplete understanding of the strategy. This binary option strategy is unique and one of my favorites, and you can only find it here on my channel. Risk warning: trading binary options involves financial risk, and you may lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Trade responsibly, do your research, and only invest money you can afford to lose. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new and unique trading strategies in the future. Let's now dive into the strategy step by step. Observe the candle behavior. Wait for a new candle to form. When there are 10 seconds left before the candle closes, carefully observe its movement. Check whether buyers or sellers have more strength in the last 10 seconds. If buyers dominate in the last 10 seconds, take a buy trade for the next candle. If sellers dominate in the last 10 seconds, take a sell trade for the next candle. Follow the trend. Always trade with the trend and avoid trading against the trend. Use support and resistance levels. At a support level, look for buy trades. At a resistance level, look for sell trades. Use a 1-minute candle time frame and set the trade expiry to 1 minute. The European and New York sessions are ideal for this strategy because of increased market activity. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after medium or high-impact news events. This minimizes unpredictable market movements. Now, let me show you how this strategy works live in the market with real examples of trades in different situations. Right now, there are 10 seconds left for this candle to close. I'm closely watching the candle to check whether the buyers or sellers have more strength in the market. After observing, I can see that buyer power is stronger in the last 10 seconds. The last 4 candles were strong bullish candles, which means buyers are dominating the trend. The price is near a resistance level, but this resistance appears weak. Since buyers have more strength and the trend is bullish, it's likely that the price will break through this weak resistance. So based on this analysis, I'm taking a buy trade here. When placing a trade, if you're considering a buy trade, think like a buyer and ask, is buying the right choice in this situation? If you're considering a sell trade, think like a seller and evaluate whether selling is a better option. Binary trading involves risk, and no one can predict the market with 100% accuracy. That's why risk management is key. Always trade with caution and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's wait and see how this trade ends. We've won this trade, but remember, don't overtrade on one currency pair. I recommend not taking more than 3 to 4 trades on the same pair to avoid unnecessary risk. Now let's look for another currency pair and analyze its setup. Right now, there are 10 seconds left for this candle to close. I'm analyzing the candle closely to see whether the buyers or sellers have more power in the market. In the last 10 seconds, I noticed that seller power is stronger and the candle has turned bearish. Before this red candle, the last 5 candles were strong bullish candles, showing that the market was in an uptrend. The 5th candle in this uptrend was very large, which suggests the trend is losing strength and may retrace for 1 or 2 candles. The current bearish candle confirms this retracement. Based on this analysis, I've decided to place a sell trade here. Before using this strategy on a real account, always practice on a demo account first. Practicing will help you to build confidence in the setup and understand the market behavior better. Switch to a real account only when you're fully comfortable with the strategy. Let's move forward and see how the next trade plays out. After winning the first trade, I quickly placed another sell trade on the same currency pair. Here's what happened. I noticed seller power in the last 10 seconds again. The candle formed an inverted hammer pattern, which appeared bearish. But I made an important mistake. I didn't consider the trend. The trend was uptrend, and there was no resistance level to stop it. In an uptrend, An inverted hammer often acts as a continuation pattern, meaning the trend is likely to continue upward, not reverse. Always check the trend direction before deciding to buy or sell. Candlestick patterns can change meaning depending on the trend and support resistance levels. Binary trading moves fast, but taking a few extra seconds to confirm your setup can save you from mistakes. Mistakes happen, and it's important to learn from them. We have lost this trade. Winning and losing are both part of trading. Focus on improving your analysis instead of getting discouraged by losses. I've taken a buy trade here after analyzing the market carefully. Here's why. In the last 10 seconds, buyer power was strong. The candle turned bullish, showing buyer dominance. After a 2-candle retracement, the uptrend has resumed and is now showing strength again. Following the trend in this situation makes it a smart and calculated decision to place a buy trade. Always stay patient and wait for the perfect signal before placing a trade. Rushing into trades can lead to mistakes, so it's important to follow the strategies I've shared in earlier videos. We've won this trade. This shows how sticking to the trend and using clear signals can lead to profitable trades. Now, let's move on and analyze another currency pair. Looking at this chart, we can see the market is in an uptrend, but it's not a strong uptrend. Bearish candles have appeared 3 times, showing that the uptrend has weakened. Now, we see 2 doji candles have formed. What does this mean? Doji candles show indecision in the market. Both buyers and sellers are making equal efforts to control the market. Whoever wins this battle will decide the next direction of the market. Look at this example. Earlier, 2 doji candles formed. After that, buyers dominated, and the price moved up. The same situation is happening here. We just need to observe closely and wait for confirmation. There are only 10 seconds left for this candle to close. Let's analyze carefully. Candle closely to see whether the buyers or sellers have more power in the market. I noticed that in the last 10 seconds, sellers completely dominated the market. The candle has also turned bearish, confirming seller strength. Based on this analysis, I've decided to take a sell trade here. Now we'll wait and see how this trade plays out. This setup is a great example of how patience and pattern observation can help make informed decisions. Stay patient and don't rush into trades. Wait for the right signal to improve your chances of success. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know. What trading strategies do you use? Which topics would you like me to cover next? Your suggestions help me create content that matches your needs and interest. That's it for today, traders. Make sure to practice and master this strategy on a demo account before using it in real trading. Practicing first helps you build confidence and improve your skills. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. Like this video to show your support. Share it with your fellow traders who might find it useful. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll continue creating more content to help you succeed in trading. Good luck on your trading journey. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy trading.